Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to 30 Days of Resin. So today is day 3 and I'm just going to make a cute little mystical potion. We'll see how this turns out. Now, I'm going to use pearls and roses and some little like diamond bits in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your UV resin. You're going to pour some in there. I think we'll do little by little, just so we can get a good effect with all the pieces that we're going to be putting in. Let me get some tweezers because we're definitely going to need those. Okay, so I'm going to put some pearls in. Maybe a heart. That would be really cute. I don't know if that'll fit. Nope, it won't fit. Okay, we'll put a rose in. Will that fit? That should fit. Okay, we'll get a rose in there. There we go. Get some more pearls. And maybe one of these really pretty like diamond type items there. Okay, so that'll be the first layer and we'll cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so now we can add some more resin in there. I'm just filling this by thirds. Now, I do see a bubble. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out. I'm going to use my heat gun for that. I think it might help, so excuse the noise. Okay, it might have helped. I don't know. I can't tell. Okay. So we'll get some more pearls in. Maybe another diamond here. Well, rhinestone. That one kind of turned over. Another pearl. And then you can use your tweezers to move things around. And if you have to turn something over, you can turn it over. And get this larger pearl, put that in there. And then you can lift it up and see how it looks, if that's the way you want it. And then once you get it the way you like it, you can cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so we can do the last layer. We'll do more pearls and a rose. Maybe a little diamond in there. another rose maybe. Let's see, where's that rose? Put a rose over here on this side. Ooh, got the diamond right next to it. That's kind of nice. Well, if we could turn it the right way. Ah, okay. And then I think one more pearl. Get that in there. And we can close this up. And then we're going to cure this for, now I'm going to cure it for, I'll say 180 seconds just to make sure it's cured all the way through. Alright, now that it's cured, you can see inside layers of pearls, a couple little diamonds in there. The next step would be to put the cap on, but first, before we put the cap on, I'm going to screw in an eyelet screw onto the top. You're just going to screw it in, and then I'm just going to put a little resin right here, and I need something to sit it on, so I'm going to use sticky tack and a glass tile and just stick it on like that. Get my mixing tool, and I'm just going to put resin around the top so it secures it in, and then we don't have to worry about it falling apart. Okay, and then we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. Alright, so now that that's finished, we're going to have to attach the cork to the bottle. Now, these bottles I got from Dollar Tree, and they're really nice. I'm just going to put some clear resin around the inside ring of the top of it, and then I'm going to put the cork in, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of resin around the edge here just to hold the cork and make sure it's sturdy and you won't lose it. Okay, and then I'm going to cure this for 90 seconds. All right, it's all cured. You can see how pretty it turned out. Now to put it together, we need a 6mm jump ring, and you're going to open that to the side. Do not pull it apart, because if you do, it will lose its round shape. So we'll place this onto the eyelet screw that we put in there. And I have a leather cord in white, which I'm going to use. You can use a chain if you'd like. And you just place that on, close it up, make sure those two ends meet. You don't want to lose your necklace. And here is the end result. So, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press that bell for notifications of upcoming videos. And in the description box, you'll find all the links to all the supplies I use. You will also find links to my jewelry, artwork, and my photography. Now, don't forget to stop in tomorrow for day 4 of 30 Days of Resin. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.